Our world is a vibrant tapestry of billions of lives, each one unique, each one precious. We live, we love, we connect, but within this intricate network of humanity, there are hidden challenges. Microscopic invaders that can change everything. One such invader is HIV, the human immunodeficiency virus. Let's journey into the unseen world within our bodies to understand it. This is HIV. It's a retrovirus, a tiny but complex particle. Its outer shell, or envelope, is studded with proteins that act like keys. Inside, it carries its genetic material, not as DNA like us, but as RNA. These keys and this unique genetic code are what make HIV so formidable. The virus travels through the bloodstream, a bustling highway of life-sustaining cells. It's looking for a specific target, the CD for T cell, a crucial component of our immune system. These are the very cells that are supposed to protect us from infections, using its protein keys. HIV latches onto the surface of a CD4 cell. It's a perfect fit. Once attached, it fuses with the cell membrane and injects its RNA inside. Now, the virus performs its most cunning trick. Using an enzyme called reverse transcriptase, it converts its RNA into DNA, rewriting its genetic code into a language our cells can understand. This newly made viral DNA then travels to the cell's nucleus, the command center, and integrates itself into the host cell's own DNA. From this point on, the cell is no longer one of ours. It has been hijacked, turned into a factory that produces countless new copies of the HIV virus. These new viruses then bud off from the cell, ready to infect more CD4 cells, continuing the cycle, without intervention. An HIV infection typically progresses through 3 stages. First is the acute infection, which occurs a few weeks after transmission. Some people might experience flu-like symptoms, while others feel nothing at all. This is when the virus is multiplying rapidly. Next is the clinical latency stage, sometimes called the chronic stage. Here, the virus is still active but reproduces at very low levels. People may not have any symptoms, and this period can last for a decade or more for those not on treatment. If left untreated, the virus will eventually overwhelm the immune system, leading to the final stage, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS. At this point, the body's defenses are severely weakened, making a person vulnerable to serious illnesses and infections. But this is not where the story has to end. Over the past few decades, medical science has made incredible strides. Today, we have powerful tools to fight back. Antiretroviral therapy, or is a combination of medicines that stops the virus from replicating. These medications are highly effective. They can't cure HIV, but they can block the virus at different stages of its life cycle, preventing it from taking over the immune system. With consistent treatment, the amount of virus in the blood, known as the viral load, can become so low that it's undetectable. An undetectable viral load means a person can live a long, healthy life and, importantly, cannot transmit the virus to others. This is the power of modern medicine. It has transformed HIV from a fatal diagnosis into a manageable chronic condition. Knowledge is our greatest shield. Understanding how HIV is transmitted and how it isn't dispels fear and stigma. Education empowers us to protect ourselves and support those living with the virus. It fosters a community of care, where compassion replaces judgment. By standing together, sharing knowledge, and supporting one another, we can continue to make progress. We can build a future where new infections are rare, and everyone living with HIV has the support and care they need to thrive. Let's continue to work towards a world free from the shadow of stigma, united in hope and understanding. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more content that matters. Let's keep the conversation going.